Welcome to Gear Grinders, where we bring you the latest and most exciting developments in the world of automobiles and motorcycles. Today, we're taking a closer look at the return of a classic cruiser that continues to define style and reliability, the 2026 Honda Shadow 750. Beloved for its smooth ride, timeless design, and rock-solid performance, the Shadow 750 remains a go-to choice for riders seeking laid-back cruising with everyday usability. For 2026, Honda has refined this legendary model with subtle yet meaningful updates that keep it fresh while honoring its cruiser heritage. Let's dive into what makes the new Shadow stand out. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Shadow 750 arrives with the same low-slung, retro-inspired charm that fans have always loved, now with a cleaner, more modern touch. A revised front fender, new LED lighting, and blacked-out engine finishes give the bike a tougher, more contemporary look. Classic teardrop fuel tank and swept-back handlebars maintain that old-school cruiser vibe, while new paint options ranging from deep metallic reds to matte grays let riders choose a style that suits their mood. With refined detailing and improved fit and finish, the Shadow 750 is both a throwback and a step forward in cruiser design, performance, and powertrain. At the heart of the 2026 Shadow 750 is the familiar 745 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin, tuned for smooth, low-end torque and relaxed cruising performance. It's paired with a 5-speed transmission and shaft drive, delivering dependable power with minimal maintenance. Honda has fine-tuned the fuel injection for better throttle response and slightly improved fuel economy, making the Shadow even more enjoyable on long weekend rides. A low seat height and balanced chassis ensure comfortable handling for riders of all experience levels, while updated suspension tuning smooths out the bumps for a laid-back ride. Safety and technology. While the Shadow 750 stays true to its analog cruiser roots, it now includes a few key tech upgrades to enhance the ride. A new LCD inset within the classic round speedometer offers basic ride info like fuel range and gear position. LED lighting front and rear improves visibility, and standard ABS provides added safety without interfering with the bike's simple charm. Optional features include a USB charging port and a passenger backrest, making longer rides more comfortable and convenient. The Shadow keeps it minimal but smart where it counts. Conclusion. The 2026 Honda Shadow 750 stays loyal to the cruiser formula that made it a legend, now polished with subtle upgrades for today's rider. With its classic styling, dependable V-twin engine, and relaxed character, the Shadow is perfect for cruising city streets or unwinding on open highways. It's a bike that offers timeless appeal without demanding too much from its rider. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more news, reviews, and deep dives into the motorcycles that keep tradition alive while moving forward.